of the following function by using the quotient rule. Your function is y and it's equal to 3 minus 1 divided by x all over x plus 5. Make sure that you notice that this is a complex fraction, meaning there's a fraction inside your fraction. So what you're going to do to make life easier for yourself is just go ahead and rewrite this so that way you have a whole numerator over a denominator in your numerator. So what I'm going to do is rewrite 3 minus 1 divided by x by putting it all over the same denominator of x. So I'm going to make this 3x minus 1. So all I did was multiply the top and the bottom by 1 by x over x. So then I got 3x over x minus 1 over x. And all that divided by x plus 5. So now when I'm dividing by x plus 5, right, it will look like this. 3x minus 1 over x divided by x plus 5 over 1. So it'll be 3x plus, 3x minus 1 divided by x times the reciprocal of this fraction, which will be 1 over x plus 5. And multiply the numerator times numerator is 3x minus 1 times 1 is 1. It's 3x minus 1. So x times x plus 5 uses the distributive property. And it'll be 3x minus 1 over x squared plus 5x. So now use the quotient rule. Why? Because you have one function dividing by another function. Quotient rule is the derivative in respect to x of f of x divided by g of x. And that's done by finding g of x times f prime of x minus f of x times g prime of x all over g of x, right? Squared. So go ahead and find that. Go ahead and set f of x equal to your numerator, which is 3x minus 1. F prime of x equals the derivative of f of x, which is 3. G of x is equal to x squared plus 5x. And g prime of x is equal to 2x plus 5. So go ahead and just substitute. So g of x is equal to x squared plus 5x times f prime of x, which is equal to 3, minus f of x, which is 3x minus 1 times g prime of x, which is 2x plus 5, and f of x is 3x minus 1, and that's all over g of x squared, x plus 5x squared, so then it's 3 times x squared plus 5x minus 3x minus 1 times 2x plus 5 all over x squared plus 5x squared. So go ahead and use distributive property. It's 3 times x squared is 3x squared plus 3 times 5x is 15x minus, and use FOIL. So it's the first of each term, right? 3x times 2x is 6x squared times outer, which is 3x times 5, which is going to be 15x, plus inner, which is negative 1 times 2x is negative 2x, plus last, which is negative 1 times 5, is going to be negative 5, all over x squared plus 5x squared. So it will be 3x squared plus 15x, and then the subtracting sign in front of a parentheses turns each sign inside the parentheses into the opposite sign. So it'll be plus positive x squared will be negative 6x squared, positive 15x will be negative 15x, negative 2x is going to be positive 2x, negative 5 is going to be positive 5. All divided by x squared plus 5x squared. So then you get, combine all your like terms. There's 3x squared plus negative 6x squared. You've got positive 15x and negative 15x and positive 2x. So then 3x squared minus 6x squared is negative 3x squared. 15x and negative 15x cancel out, and then you're left with plus 2x plus 5, all divided by x squared plus 5x squared. And so your derivative in respect to x is going to be of 3 minus 1 divided by x over x plus 5 is going to be negative 3x squared plus 2x plus 5 divided by x squared plus 5x all